flower growing wild and free. All I'd want is you to be my sweet honeybee.
Nick drives a Fiero, and I'm going to teach you how to rebuild your second generation headlight motor. Now the one I'm going to rebuild is the harder one, which is the right headlight. So bear with me and follow these steps and you should be able to successfully rebuild your motor. And then take this bolt out, and this bolt out. Alright, now once you have all these out, you're gonna, I used a 1/4 wrench to do all these bolts. You're gonna pull this little head off. Make sure you don't damage the gasket underneath. I can't do this with one hand, so I'll cut to it. Now once you have it off, you're going to notice that you have the gear on this side. Since this is the right headlight, it won't come out. So next, you're going to take this screw out, or bolt, and this one out. There's two up here. But don't pull this thing all the way off. You're just going to have to pull it out a little bit, just enough so this will come out. If you pull it all the way off, there's a ball bearing in there and some springs, I think, and it's just going to go everywhere and you're going to have to put it back together. So just pull it out just enough that you can get the gear out. Alright, now you have these two bolts out. And then the one behind there. So you're just gonna pull this out. Oh, there we go. Whoops. Parts went flying. Okay. This is like that. Alright, you're going to... Okay, so my camera ran out of batteries when I was taking this out. It was like this, and once you get it out about that far, it's like the side of my finger, I don't know, like a centimeter or two. This should come out. Actually, it was more than that. It was more like an inch. This should come out. Take it out, and you pull the gear out. Push that in, I guess. And this is where your torque pins would be. Mine were completely disintegrated into pretty much a dust. So it spilled everywhere. That's what I was talking about. Clean the whole thing out. Clean the whole thing out first. Get all that dust out. And make sure you get everywhere. And then grease all the way around here, especially right here. Just put grease everywhere. What I have is, I don't know how old this is, but grease doesn't expire, so the best I could find. It says all-purpose on the back, so I'm guessing it'll work for this. And you're just gonna put that back in. You're gonna have to pull this. You're gonna have to pull this back out to put it back in, and then just reassemble everything the way you took it apart, and then you should have a rebuilt motor. Okay, so I found the best way to clean this is just clean as much as you can with a paper towel. And then the best way to clean the gear is with a toothbrush. So you just swipe all the way around till you get it, till you get all that stuff out the best you can. Actually, the best way to clean the crud out in these little pockets is just taking it and banging it against something hard till you get all the stuff out. And it looks like it worked pretty well. Okay, now I've got all three slightly angled in. Oops. And now I just push down. Well, maybe. I try to. Hold on. Well, it's not lined up, but once you've got them angled, you line them back up, and you just push down, and they should slide in